Say hi, Moses. Hi, Moses.
What's your name? Who are you? Do you have a name? Do you have a name?
Her name is Kiss Monster.
There's a pretty long wait. Do you guys want to go get a movie or something?
A pretty long wait.
Yeah, I had to put my name down.
Like a 2-hour long wait.
What do you recommend?
Let's go get a movie.
Go get a movie?
Yeah, let's go get a movie.
Okay, so where are we going?
To get a movie. I love you.
What do you mean go get, we're gonna go watch a movie?
No.
I love you.
I don't understand. What does he mean?
No, he's just trying to.
So we're
Just trying to make a good movie. Back in the posse. Well, there's a wait and there's no room in there. So we're gonna go get a movie while we're waiting for our food.
Oh, you mean a movie to take back home and watch later?
Yes.
Okay, now I get it.
Why are you videotaping us?
Because I want to have you on tape.
Welcome to Greg's world.
What's it gonna be?
This
We
is
got-
how you've been
this is
videotaping
very-
everybody, Dad?
Yeah. Did you see the one I put on Facebook for Brendon?
Yeah.
It's pretty weird and lame.
Did you make it offensive content?
No.
Okay, someone did.
Someone they were like, "This is a stupid video. Take it off." And I said, "I agree."
The video clip you're trying to send was deemed by a Facebook user as offensive. Do you really want to send it?
What? What was it?
It was just that clip of Brendon that I did. You know, I did the video clip of, Dad, father and son disagreement. We were at the Ocean Beach Noodle House. Brendon thought I was doing an in your face interview with the waiter. Yeah.
You were recording the waiter.
Yeah, totally. The
Why?
waiter comes up and he's like,
I
"Hey,
was
who are you?"
recording
I'm like, "Yeah,
Brendon.
it's working."
And the guy came up and
Leave
said,
him alone.
"Are you ready to order?" And I just said, I just put him in the production. That's all.
Somebody found that offensive.
Somebody found it. I thought it was Brendon.
Nah, I don't spend that much time on Facebook.
Okay, so tell us, where are we, Anthony?
Dad, we're in Ocean Beach, California.
Okay, so we're cruising the hood.
We're getting a movie.
We're getting a what?
We're getting a movie. Yeah, record her. She will enjoy that. I don't enjoy that.
All right.
Here, you can put the video on here. There you go. Look at that. Looks some like.
What are we doing?
As soon as you put the camera on her,
Turn the
Instant
so she can see herself.
Hey, Sadie-mo.
Turn the LCD screen so she can see herself.
Okay, that's
she's
a
like,
good
"I'm
idea.
not an actress."
There you
She'll
go.
talk to herself.
It's Sadie.
Oh, look at that smile.
Who is it?
See?
Talk to yourself.
Hi, Sadie.
Can she see it?
Yeah.
So, what movie do you want to get? Let's get a year one.
Sadie, you're so quiet.
Heard that movie was really stupid.
She's just smiling.
I was trying to figure out what you have stuck in her face.
Say,
Let me keep
what's up, YouTube? Who's that? Oh,
Don't
look
kick it.
Look at the booties. All right, say bye. Say bye.
No.
No? Want to watch some more?
Where's the Blockbuster?
Hey, Sadie.